Hi, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to today's video. In this session, we're going to look at a new bit of functionality that's available to us in Teams assignments. We can now import our grades and assignment settings from one class to another. So let's go take a look. Let's get into Teams. So we're in Teams and I'm going to import my assignment settings from my History Year 10 class through into my History Year 11. So I'm just going to drop very quickly into the Year 10, open up the assignments and just come over to the top right hand side of the page here, and this is my assignment settings cog. I'm going to open that up, and as you can see I've got everything set up, so I'm only going to be doing this once for one class. So I've got my assignment timeline set up, so my calendar is all set up, as are my notifications. So when I create an assignment, it's going to be going into a homework channel. The parent and guardian emails are switched on. My new students is off. The fun stuff's turned on. But more importantly, things like the average grade is turned on. And also I'm using weighted grading categories as well. I've created this just the once for my History Year 10 class, and I'm now going to pull all of these settings through into my Year 11 class. So I'm just going to very quickly go back out of here, go back into History Year 11, then go through to Assignments, and again I'm going to come over to the right hand side, Assignment Settings. So this is how it's set up at the moment. So my assignment timeline is set for 2100 hours, the calendar's all switched off, notifications are going to go into the general channel, my grade settings, the average grade and the weighted grading categories are all turned off. I can now go to the top of the page and select Import Settings from another class. It then gives me a list of classes. So there's my History Year 10. And also, while I'm in this page, what I can do is I can also pull settings in from a previous year's class. So when you start your new academic year, so all I need to do as a history teacher is find my previous year's class, and I can use this import settings to pull in the previous year's settings into the current year. That's going to save me lots of time. So let's go to the top of the page here. Here's my History Year 10 class. I can select that, choose Next, and this then tells me what's going to be pulled through. So the default time is now going to be 1700 hours. I'm going to be adding to the calendars for my students. It gives me the full list, and then if I come to the bottom here, here's my grade settings. So now I don't need to reset everything up. All I'm going to do is select Import Settings. And here you have it. It's pulled it through. So all of those settings from that History Year 10 class are now pulled through to the History Year 11. And I've saved myself a whole host of time from having to go from one class to the next and individually click all of these buttons and set up weighting categories if I used them. Once I've imported my settings, there's no save button to click. All I need to do is click back, that takes me out, and then all I need to do is then go into my next class and import the settings and just keep going through all the classes that I teach. If you found this video useful, please click on the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be alerted every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. Thanks for watching.